If students are asked to submit a picture for an assignment, then they would go to that assignment and click on Submit Assignment. From its Submit Assignment, you have the option to upload a photo where you can upload from your downloads or desktop files. You also have the option to create an audio or video recording and send that back to your teacher. And that would happen by clicking on it and then clicking audio and video. And it records and uploads directly there. You can also create, which means if you wanted to just draft a response or put some information, or if your photo is already in, say, Google Drive Photos or iPhotos, you can insert media or images by attaching a file, uploading it there or from the web. And then, of course, there is the option to pull it from any resources that you've already uploaded to your own personal Schoology account. As we're just getting started with this tool, I would recommend just attaching a file that might be in your downloads or in your desktop. In my downloads, for example, I have this image that I'm going to share, and it's just a sample of work. Here it is. It's about deep learning. When I click on the image, it adds it directly there, and I might even add a comment. This is my photo of my work. You can communicate directly and then click Submit.